What is going on, everyone? Today we just received our Perrin Gurney flap and we're gonna be installing this today. I already have the factory Gurney flap, so this is gonna be coming off. It's nice weather today for an install, so we're gonna try and do this quickly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the old factory Gurney flap off and we're gonna install our new Perrin Gurney flap. We got our factory Gurney flap on. Now let's install the real deal.
Years later.
Okay guys, today's another day. I know that my editing was not so great this video about the spoiler install, but basically this is all we did. So basically I just had to drill holes into my trunk, well not my trunk, my old wing, so that these little fasteners can go inside. So we just drilled the hole, slapped this on top and put the bolts inside so the wing can actually stay on. That is basically all we did. It's almost up to perfect measurement, except just this part. If that's all, you're only gonna notice that if you really look that hard. But yeah, that's basically about it. And I like the way it looks. So I really do hope you guys enjoy how the car is actually coming along. There will be more stuff. I am still shopping for wheels actually, and for the meantime, just for fun, I think I'm gonna plastic dip these wheels, the ones I have on now. But yeah, things are coming in slowly, but they are coming, and I will try and post consistently for you guys. I know I was out, I believe, a week, and I do apologize, but this video was not great. But I just hope you guys liked the end result, because I think it looks really good. I apologize for the late post, but hopefully I still see you guys on the next one.